Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata, scriptures, and or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and EI, data annotation is essential for creating label datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. You can just create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. And as you can see here, we have a small number of offers comparing with other services. So you can go over here, logo design, for example. As we can see, here we have over 240,000 of results. That means 240,000 of offers. So let's see another one. For example, video editing. As you can see here, we have over 69,000 of results. That means six over 69,000 of offers. So let's select another example. So here we have, for example, that one. We have here over 51,000 of results, I mean offers. So really the competition here is strong. Comparing with other one data annotation, you can start and get your start giving offers, and you can start as a freelancer easily. There, so how we can start as a freelancer. All you have to do is open your web browser and go to fiverr.com. Then it will let you to this home page. As you can see here, we have this home page. So there is two ways to dive to data annotation. The first one is click here AI services, and it will lead you to data. And then the second way is scrolling down over here, and then you can select the service you want to, and here we have data. Then you can go to data annotation, and as you can see, many offers appear. Let's wait. So here we have a lot of offers appear. So without any advanced skills and advanced coding skills, you can start as a data annotator. So as you can see here, many results. Without any advanced coding skills, if you can start, and if we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. And as you can see, the minimum amount is $5, and you can find $10 too, $35, $20, and why not? You can find $100. So it's depend on how much services you give and how much time you need to finish this job. So to more understand, let's select an example. For example, that one. As you can see here, we have um, The title, I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as a data annotator, it will be your task is labeling items, images, as example videos by marking this object or drawing circles, squares around them. And for charge, as you can see here, we have for the basic one and start for the basic one, $5 for 400 bounding boxes. For 1 day delivery, it's the basic one, and for the standard one is $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes and delivery in 2 days. And for the premium one, it's $125 in 6 days. That means 10,000 bounding boxes. So this is the offer. You can find the same offer, but you cannot find the same details. So this number, it's how much job he gets so far. So let's see another example to more understand. So here we have another data annotator. As you can see, for the premium one, the most expensive is $200 for 10 bounding boxes in 5 days delivery. So here we have $200, or here we have $125, but in 6 days. Here we have in 5 days. So it depends how much time you need to finish this job and how bounding boxes you can get, as I mentioned. So this is the platform you can earn money from it, and it's a easy service compared with other services. You can start as a freelancer. So let's see other platform. For example, AudioB. It's a platform you can earn money from it uh, as a freelancer by clicking here, became a freelancer, and then you will start as a freelancer, and you will get jobs and earn money. Another platform is Toluca. You can start as a Toluca by clicking over here, login, and I'm ready to earn money. Here we have login as a Toluca, and you can sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook, and then you can start as a data annotator. So what are you waiting for? The only thing you have to do is um, getting information, the basic information on how to start as a data annotator, and then you can earn money with this platform on with other platform, because these three are just example, and there's a lot of platform you can start with, and you can get jobs, then you can get money. So this is it, guys, for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.